ng ampala with egg. Nilagay ko na yung garlic sa kabasan. Tapos mamaya itong ampalaya. Yan. So, welcome to my YouTube, Chimay in Kuwait. Here is it. When it's the basal, it's okay. Next is the garlic. Now it's done the garlic and onion. Next we're gonna put is we will put now the bitter gourd or ampalaya in Bueno Pariati Ilocano. Okay, make like this until the ampalaya is cooked. The ampalaya I put in hot water with salt so that no too much bitter. Ganyan lang. At mamaya lagyan na ng magic sarap, saka asin, saka iklog for the final. Ayan, pwede nang ilagay yung 3 iklog. Yan. Lahat naman tayo iba-iba ang procedure kung paano magluto ng ampalaya with egg. Yan. Hanggang maluto yung iklog, tapos yan, tapos na. Ganyan lang, imekos-mekos mo na. Tapos yan na. Mabubusog ka na naman. Ito. Simple lang ang ulam ng mga Chimay. At least nakakakain ka pa. Ganyan lang. Yan, tapos na ang palaya with egg. Bye guys. Please subscribe and like so that the bell notification will always. Thank you for watching guys. Welcome to my YouTube. God bless.